Create a new document, turn on Grid Display and snap to Grid. Choose a black stroke and select the Circle tool. Now, when you draw a circle, start at the corner of the grid, it will automatically snap to the grid faces. Use the Alt key and drag the mouse to duplicate it. Here we select two circles and copy them. Paste Ctrl F. Move the circles up and down by one division and zoom in with the Shift held down. Mix the right and left circles in this way. Add the lines. Now use the Shape Builder tool with the Alt key pressed to remove the extra parts. Easy and quick. Try it. Don't forget to subscribe and likes if you liked it and manage to do the same.